Assalamu alaikum, my dear KG students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and excellent in this coronavirus critical situation. We are also fine and good and safe from the virus. Children, today I am come here to take your science class, KG science class. Our syllabus is start from chapter 19. So today I am going to teach you about materials. Children, look at the board very carefully. Our today's lesson is materials chapter 19. So let's see what is our chapter 19. Today we are going to learn about some materials. Look, the first picture. Can you say what is the name of this first picture? Yes, this is a screw. And what is the name of the second picture? Bread. This is a bread. And what is the name of the third picture, children? This is a sweater. And what is this, children? Can you say? This is a candle. And what is this? This is a chair. This is flower tub. All these things are very known to us. And now we have to know that all these things made by what? Okay, let's see. There are some questions and answers. The first question is, by what is screw made of? So the answer will be, the screw is made of metal. Screw is made of metal. So the answer will be, yes, the screw is made of metal. And the second question is, by what is bread made of? The answer will be, bread is made of flour. We all know that bread is made of flour. In our breakfast, we all like to eat bread. So bread is made of flour. And next, children, look, by what, children, by what sweater is made of? So do you know by what sweater is made of? Sweater is made of wool. Sweater is made of wool. Children, can you see the writings? Sweater is made of wool. Then, by what is candle made of? Candle is made of wax. Candle is made of wax. And the fifth question is, by what is chair made of? We all know that chair is made of wood. And from where we find the wood? From tree. We all know we find wood from tree, and by wood we made chair and tables, etc. Next, by what is flower tub made of? So, and the answer will be, flower tub is made of clay. Now, by what is pouch made of? By what is pouch made of? In your breakfast, we eat breads, milk, pouch, many things. Can you say by what is pouch made of? Pouch is made of egg. So the answer will be, pouch is made of egg. Then what is comb made of? So the answer will be, comb is made of plastic. Comb is made of plastic. Children, this is your homework. Today's homework is this question and answers. I am going to write for you. This is our homework. This is our homework, and I hope all of you submit in our next class. This homework is question answer from chapter 19. Okay, children, I hope all of you can guess the lessons very easily, and I hope all of you will submit this homework, and the teacher will check and give some remarks for you, children. Goodbye for today.